In this video, I'm going to show you how to play mini games in Township. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so these mini games are special limited time events that let you play fun puzzles or challenges for rewards like coins, boosters, decorations, and sometimes cash. They're not always available though, so they show up during seasonal events or township festivals. So now there's a few different ways how we can play them. So the first way is watch for event announcements. So mini games only appear during special events. For example, farming festival, holiday regattas. Look for the event icon usually on the left hand side of the screen. So I've got an event here on top left hand corner of my screen here. Or if you scroll down near the airport or train station, you can check out the events here on the board. So as we can see here, you've got an event here. So I'm going to click into this event. So I'm not quite sure what this event is about. Here it is here. So it's called Heroes of the Prairie. So completed 2 out of 37. So they're going to give you hints and tips how to play these little mini games here. So I want to go ahead and keep clicking all that stuff there. All right, so I've clicked that. Now they're going to tell you found a treasure. Let's collect it. Yeah, so they're going to guide you through these mini games if you're not sure how to play it. So now most of these mini games use special energy systems, so not your normal township resources, which is on the top bar here. So I've got 153 energy over 100. So you get a certain number of free tries that refill over time. So if you run out, you can wait, buy extra with coins, cash, or get more through event tasks. Now, as you progress in the game, you earn event points. Points unlock milestone rewards like boosters, coupons, and unique decorations for your town or even your zoo. So basically, you want to go ahead and log in daily during an event to maximize free tries. Use your first 3 attempts wisely. Just don't waste them if you're distracted. Save boosters for harder levels near the end of the event. Now, if you're in a co-op, completing mini games can sometimes help with regatta tasks too.